arbitrationagreements.org. Fans of the labor movement and those interested in the fascinating world of union arbitration, I bet you've often wondered, how long does union arbitration really take? Well, I have some thrilling insights for you. But before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you a great deal of time and money. First things first, let's talk numbers. Did you know that the average time for a union arbitration case to be resolved is typically between 60 to 90 days? That's right, in just 2 to 3 months, most union disputes can find resolution. Now compare that to courtroom litigation, which can drag on for years. That's a striking difference, isn't it? Now, you might ask, why is union arbitration so much quicker? Well, there are numerous reasons. One of the biggest advantages of union arbitration over courtroom litigation is its streamlined process. Without the formalities and bureaucratic layers found in court systems, union arbitration can get straight to the heart of the matter. And guess what? That means fewer delays and faster results. And the advantages don't just stop at speed. Union arbitration allows for a more tailored and specific expertise. Instead of having a generalist judge, you have an arbitrator who is often well-versed in the specific nuances of labor issues and disputes. This ensures that the matters at hand are understood deeply and judgments are made with greater precision. Now, I mentioned statistics earlier, and here's another one for you. According to research, over 80% of union arbitration cases are resolved without the need for a follow-up or appeal. That's a testament to the efficiency and effectiveness of this process. Do you need more information about union arbitration? If so, head over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's also where you can buy the service or program you need and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Give us a call if you are considering opening a new account or case. Also, what do you think about union arbitration? Does it sound like a potential solution to resolving a dispute? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.